a black hole that shouldn't exist, and it's right next door. They have discovered the second closest black hole to Earth, Gaia BH3. But this black hole is nearly 3.5 times more massive than the closest black hole discovered so far. And this size places it into a class of black holes that, according to what we previously knew, should not exist, at least within the framework of our current understanding of these particular black holes. This naturally raises a question in my mind. If such a massive black hole is practically right under our noses and we managed to overlook it for so long, what other black holes might be out there right now whose existence we are completely unaware of? Let's find out. First of all, this spectacular discovery was not made by NASA, but by the European Space Agency, ESA, and its Gaia Space Observatory, which was launched in 2013. Like the famous James Webb Space Telescope, Gaia orbits around a special gravitational region known as the L2 Lagrange point. This is one of 5 special gravitational equilibrium points formed by the interaction of the Sun's and Earth's gravitational fields. The L2 point around which Gaia orbits lies on the imaginary line connecting the Sun and Earth, on the side of Earth opposite the Sun, about 1.5 million kilometers away. Since the beginning of its mission, Gaia has achieved remarkable successes. For example, out of the roughly 400 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy, Gaia has so far cataloged 1.7 billion of them with extremely high precision. And every year, we continue to discover numerous new exoplanets, galaxies, and stars. Astronomers usually prefer not to publish such vast amounts of data piece by piece. Instead, they compile all new findings into a catalog and release it every few years. For instance, Gaia's latest data release was published in 2022, and the next one is planned for 2025. However, the discovery of Gaia BH3 is so significant that astronomers chose to publish a dedicated paper immediately, without waiting for the next catalog release. This is because research on this black hole needs to begin right away. Although Gaia BH3 is extraordinarily massive, it is actually among the smallest black holes ever discovered because it is not a supermassive black hole, but a stellar mass black hole. Yet within this category, it possesses an unprecedented mass, which makes it exceptionally special. As I've explained before, stars with masses 8 times that of the Sun or greater end their lives by exploding in a tremendous supernova once they exhaust their fuel. During this explosion, most of their matter and energy are ejected into space. The remaining material is compressed with such